Welcome back to my channel, and here today I'm sharing a healthy brownie recipe made with yam and raw cacao powder. And for this you need 2 eggs, a pinch of baking soda, a tablespoon melted butter, a 1 teaspoon raw cacao powder, half cup milk, 1 pound sweet potato, which is also called yam, and half cup mixed nuts of any kind. First, crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl and add a pinch of baking soda, 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1 teaspoon raw cacao powder, and half cup milk. Mix everything well and keep it aside. Now take 1 pound sweet potato yam, cut it into pieces and boil for 15 minutes. Turn off the stove and let it cool completely. Now once cool, smash the sweet potato yam until smooth and add it to the batter. Now take half cup mixed nuts, blend them coarsely and add them to the bowl. Now mix everything pretty well. Transfer the mixture into a greased baking mold. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees and bake for 30 minutes. Let it cool slightly after 30 minutes and your healthy sweet yam, sweet potato brownies are ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.